Look at this, look at this. If you want to find out how to find a cryptocurrency that will pump very fast, this video is the video. I'm going to reveal all the secret to you. Dogecoin is doing 1.1%. Dogecoin is moving 1.1%, and look at me coming to this place and boom, Dogecoin is moving 1.1%. Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Wolf channel, the channel I talk about how to make money online, cryptocurrency, crypto trading. Currently we are 12,600 subscribers, and I make a lot of quality videos on crypto, affiliate marketing, anything that has to do with making money online. I give you value. So if you find this channel helpful at the end of this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to find coins like this that are going to pump massively and fetch you crazy amount of money even before the pump. And trust me, this method works 100%. Look at this. So the thing is not a coincidence that I can find these coins. The question is, how do I do it? And this is what I'll be teaching in this video. If you have any question concerning this strategy, please make sure you leave a question. You ask me any question, I'm going to do well to answer each and every one of you one after the other. You see, when I started my crypto game, one of the major thing I love crypto for is the volatility, and that is simply because a cryptocurrency can just pump and give you massive profit overnight. And the funny thing is that if you miss a cryptocurrency pumping, you can actually make money when the coin is dumping. So you can actually short this cryptocurrency if this currency is on a future platform, right? That aside, my major struggle used to be, when will these coins pump? How do I know when these coins will pump? What is the place? Is there any indicator? Is there any tool? In the quest of me trying to find out what I can do to find the cryptocurrencies that pump massively, I discovered something. Wow, that's my magic secret, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything step by step. Now, if you think I'll be talking about TradingView, oh, I'm sorry about that. This is not TradingView. There is a particular website where you can get latest information about cryptocurrency, and the ones that are about to pump before the pump, the one that have just pumped that you can look for potential shorting position, and the ones that are currently pumping that you can look for ways to enter and make crazy amount of money in the profit. So basically, this website teaches you where the money is moving to and how you can make money from this. The name of this website is called cryptobubbles.net. And what you do on this website is that you see cryptocurrencies that are pumping as they are pumping immediately. Like, look at this. This is cryptobubbles.net, and if you look at the time frame, this time frame is the daily time frame, the 1 day time frame. You can see this particular coin CVX, it has done 30%, and what you see is, you see this cryptocurrency is represented as bubbles. So with these bubbles, anyone that is showing green and it is showing big, it shows that that particular cryptocurrency is pumping that moment we are making the video. When it is going small and it's showing red, it means that particular cryptocurrency is dumping. Like, as simple as that. And the funny thing is that you can check this for yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and you can check on different exchange platforms. You can go on to check for the top 100 cryptocurrency on Binance, the top 100 cryptocurrency in the world, top 200, top 1000, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything step by step. Now look at this. Let's go through the crypto bubble platform, how to use it and how to make money from this. So basically, we can say today the crypto market is looking okay. Will this continue tomorrow? We can say. So what we need to do is, with the basic knowledge of technical analysis, you can go on to pick these cryptocurrencies, these ones that we can find here, like CVS, TON, Ethereum, and all these cryptocurrencies, and begin to check if there are opportunities for us to buy, and if we can make money by looking at because when the coin is going up, you're going to see the higher high and the higher lows. You look for a perfect entry. For example, look at this HEX token. That is the chart I was showing you just now. Look at this. This is the daily time frame. You can see that this particular token is pumping massively. Now, if you want to check what is going on in the last this is the last day candle. If you want to check the last 4 hours, all we need to do is to come here to this button that looks like a pen, click on it. You are going to edit, and you're going to check the hourly time frame. If we come to the 1 hour time frame, USDT, PAM, we put CVS USDT, the token is going to open. Look at the token. It shows that the token in the last 1 hour has been pumping massively, and if you look at the structure of this token, you can basically see the higher high and the higher low, right? And if you want to see this thing clearly, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see it clearly. Look at this. This token pumped from here, moved massively, right? And looking at the direction of the token, we cannot adjust our trend line properly to see where the higher high and the higher lows are, and you can find a way to benefit from this token. Now, if we zoom this out very well, you will see that anytime this token touches this trend line, it becomes higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. If it touches this line, you can jump in and you start looking for where to sell off, you know, when the token goes up, right? This is one of the way to trade this token. But if you are not good with technical analysis, please be very careful if you want to jump in and start trading this token. So basically the point is, with this indicator you can know the tokens that are doing very well, the ones that are pumping massively, the one you can make money from, the one that you can benefit money from. And the beautiful thing is that you cannot just only check the tokens, you can go on to check the token that have been doing well for the last 30 days, which is the last 1 month. And if you go to the last 30 days, you can see that X has done 42%. Even in a bearish market, HT token has done 108%, CSPR has done 67%. All these tokens have done crazy amount of pump, even though the market generally is bearish. So with this, if you want to know how a token is faring, you can just come here and begin to look at the tokens that are bullish, and you can be finding your buying opportunities in this token and start making decent amount of profit. Now another thing again you can do on this platform is you can sort this token from the top 100, look at this, to the top 200 tokens, right? Top 200 tokens. You can see that to filter to show you more tokens that are on other exchange platforms. Look at Solo has done 165%, Deso has done 148, Like has done 133, MDX has done 175%. All these tokens are actually pumping massively. You can still sort it to the top 500, you can sort it to the top 1000, but I would advise you to always stick to the top 100. Do you know the reason? The reason is because some of the tokens that are in the top 1000, some of them are shit coins that they pump massively because of their volatility, and those tokens do not really have value. Look at Fake Token has done 137%, you know. Spark has done 102%. If we go to the top 1000 tokens, you're going to see a lot of tokens. Some of these tokens are shit coins. I will look at this one, has done 210%, Yam has done 89%, DLC has done 89.1%. but not all these tokens are best for you to invest your money in. I rather advise you to restrict yourself to the top 100 tokens, max the top 200 tokens. Now you can actually sort this thing by exchange platform. If you want the best exchange platforms, you can sort your token in such a way that you can see them by exchange platform. But if you want to sort as exchange platform, all you need to do is to come to these top 100 tokens, scroll there, you're going to see different exchange: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, FTX and Coinbase. So if you are the kind of person, like I trade on Binance most of the time, I can just sort it by Binance, and the cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange platform are the only ones I will see in this place. Look at this. So some currencies that are not on Binance are out. I can see the cryptocurrencies that are only on Binance exchange platform. Now if I want to check the ones that are currently doing well, maybe today, I can just come here and check the last 15 minutes, the last 5 minutes, the last 1 hour. So look at this. In the last 15 minutes, this rep token has pumped 3%, 3.1%. Look at this particular token has done 1.6%, 1.9%, 1.7%. I can begin to check these tokens out and see if there is a buying positions for this token, how long they are going to move. In the same way, if you are the kind of person that know how to trade very well, you can even look at the tokens that have done massively and begin to find when to buy them since they are low, and how you can benefit and make money. And the interesting thing is that as the token is moving, the prices are changing, it will automatically be updating on Crypto Bubble. Right now, this is not where this thing ends, this is just the beginning. You can come here to edit and create a setting for yourself. Like if you want to filter the tokens by exchange platform, you can come here, you filter it by exchange platform. If you want to filter it by language, you want it to be in English language. If you want to change the color, if from red, because currently the current colors are red and green, but when it is very green, it shows that the token is very bullish. When it's very red, it shows that the token is very bearish. But if it is just deep green, it shows that the token is just slightly moving upward. Right now, this is not the end. You can go on to check majority of these tokens on the chart by scrolling down. When you come here, you can search for cryptocurrency pairs, and even when you don't want to search for cryptocurrency pairs, you can scroll down to see different cryptocurrency, and you can see the hourly, the daily, the weekly, the monthly and the yearly movement of this token. You can see that generally in the yearly part, most of these tokens are red because they have been struggling. But look at this particular token called Aptos token. All through the year has done 13.6%. right? Even though this week, this should be the weekly time frame. Okay, the daily time frame, the token is not doing well today, but so far during the month and the year, the last few months, the week, the month and the year, this token has done 13.3%. right? From here you can generally check the tokens that are in this place, and you can see how they are faring, both the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and the yearly. So a token can be pumping on the daily side, but generally the monthly side, this token is on a losing streak, right? And a token can be struggling on the daily part, but the weekly and the yearly part, this token has been doing well. And where you come to this place, the tokens and the exchange platforms, you can get them, you're going to see it by this side, right? I don't want this video to be too long. There's so much you can do with this particular platform, so much you can do, and this is where I get my crypto signals, right? If you find this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. You can imagine the kind of content you're going to learn following me on this channel, right? Exchanges that you can get this token, you can look at Binance, KuCoin, FTS, Coinbase, all of them, Gate.io, they are all in this place. So guys, this is the way I get cryptocurrencies that are about to pump. Quickly, let's look at the 5 minutes time frame to see what is going on, right? And begin to look for tokens that we want to trade. And I'm not going to change this to Binance, I'll change it to top 100 to quickly see the token. Dogecoin is doing 1.1%. I just saw a signal that Dogecoin is moving 1.1%, and look at me coming to this place, and boom, Dogecoin is moving 1.1%. Isn't this amazing? This is crazy, guys. Like, this is really crazy, and this is mind-blowing. This is the best video you're going to see on coins that are pumping. Yes, and make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.